Before we begin this video, I hope that you are taking all the precautions to stay safe and healthy. Hello everyone, my name is Ishban Yadav and I welcome you all to Cyberpeace Academy. In the past few days, I'm sure you have someone around you in your friends, family or even work circle who has been miserably affected by COVID-19. COVID-19 second wave has hit us hard. Thousands of cases are being reported every day. India records world's highest single-day spike with more than 3 lakh cases. As much as this news is disheartening, it is important to understand the gravity of the situation and make remedies accordingly. But as we are fighting against the pandemic, we also have to fight against the massive COVID-19 misinformation. During this time, we have to stay further away from misinformation as it just creates more panic in people. You can do that easily by verifying all the information that you get from your friends or from your family. Number 1, do not believe in WhatsApp forwards. I repeat, do not believe in WhatsApp forwards. They are the main cause of anxiety in people, especially when it's sent by the people we know and trust. Number 2, call out your relatives and friends if they forward you unverified news. Number 3, cross-check news on different platforms. Don't just follow a single media house. Get your information from multiple sources. Number 4, if you want to drink kadha, haldi milk or do any household remedies to boost your immunity, then go ahead. But if you have COVID-19, then strictly follow your doctor's guidance. Number 5, it is important to keep your mental health in check, so avoid listening to the news all day. It is important to stay updated on the latest development, but cut off from news and watch something funny and uplifting to create some distraction in your life. Number 6, follow WHO and other verified sources to get the latest update to fight COVID-19. Number 7, wear masks whenever you step out and only go out if it is necessary. Last but not the least, stay safe and encourage others to not step out unless it is necessary. Our medical systems are overwhelmed and we need to do everything in our power to help them. That includes stopping the spread of misinformation. Now, for more correct information, you can log on to cyberpeace.org and you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp helpline number, which is 957-000-0066. That's 957 5 times 0 and 66. Thank you so much for watching this Cyber Secure episode. But at the same time, please keep yourself secure. Please prioritize your health. We need to be there for each other, but at the same time, we need to take care of ourselves first. So stay home, stay safe, and please be well. Thank you so much for watching this episode. My name is Ishban Yadav, and until the next time I see you, bye-bye, good night.